Hey guys, welcome back to Full Tilt. We're at our local truck show up in Macungie. We got famous Ed, Mr. Bowlin's here.
John B. Haynes.
Yeah.
He had a bunch of these down in Rawlins, Pennsylvania. That's what they deliver concrete.
This here, guys, it's a company in our area. It's pretty big, probably the biggest, H&K.
This is our local big contractor, H&K. They own Rawlins Concrete. John Haynes, super nice guy, man. He's got over 200 collectible trucks and equipment. Pretty neat stuff.
Yeah. Trailer. 37 Mac. Old school. Old school chain drive.
Well, guys, are back in the rain. Back at the site up on the state game lands. Got all our pipe in. Ray and I put the telco conduit in this morning. We just haven't compacted it yet, just so I can get the machine out. Pipe was supposed to go to this pull box here, and in the 2.5 months that we were away from the job, they switched fiber providers, so it's not going here anymore. Now it's going over to the backboard and going to be picked up by another carrier. Well, Verizon. It's going to feed it. So they just come out of the top of that cap with a seal tight right into the bottom of that box. So we had to clear a road here. We cut a tree down this morning because the tree's going to be in the way of the crane swinging around the back here. And then this here was all woods and rocks. Cut all this out. Got a load of modified stone hauled in here this morning by a local contractor. And yeah, so trying to make it so the crane can get in now. So yeah, it's a struggle, but we're working. We got concrete coming in an hour. So see how it goes. See if I can put you guys up here. No metal on these cabs anymore. Oh, there's some metal. Yeah, just gonna stone this in. Hopefully concrete truck to get back there. We will see. Nice wet modified, that's for sure. A little too wet. I'm sure anybody that does this knows when a modified gets this wet, it's almost harder to work with than the mud. Water just stays in it. It's like you're putting mud on everything. But as best we can. I couldn't believe he walked that track so up that mountain. 5 miles from the paved road. Same road I broke my trailer on. These guys are working up here in the mountains. says he can pour it with the truck, we're gonna let him. I like it already, Ray.
Me too. What's that? Me too. That's good.
Plunge it, Dad. Plunge it down and up. I think we got enough back there. I'll hit it with a screen in a second.
Chocolate pudding. Yep.
I just need a little down pressure on that stuff, you know? What do you think, Ray?
We're all done for today, guys.
Now we gotta go home and unbag this truck. So, I don't know if you guys remember this site, but this is actually the first job Ray helped us on when he started. So we changed that pipe from going over there to that pool box to now it's over here, and they'll tie in there. So we just gotta straighten this out tomorrow, compact it. We're tired. And then over here we got our pad poured for the propane tank. Turned out good in spite of the pouring down rain. It has now stopped, so it looks pretty good. We got the pad all cleaned up, all our pipes, we snaked them all out, made sure that nothing got broken or nobody stuck anything down there in the last 2.5 months. And then we cleared out some trees and got some gravel hauled in. Made a road in here for the crane and the concrete truck. And we took that tree down over there. So, well guys, I'll try and get some more footage tomorrow. I don't know, pretty boring stuff, you know, but it's what we do. So, I don't know. Yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Well guys, I'm glad to say this job is done. Got my access road in there for the crane. Used it yesterday to get the concrete truck in. And got everything, tree all cleared out. Pushed over the hill. Not allowed to take anything off of game land, so. Yeah, so we poured the pad yesterday. That turned out absolutely perfect. The rain didn't mess us up too bad, so yeah, this one's done, man. So yeah, guys, Let's go see what Brandon's up to. I know he's up in Connecticut working hard. So, wonder what he's up to. Hopefully you'll jump over to him and see what he's working on. Thanks a lot, guys. Please like and subscribe.
Morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. Morning, Tyler. Tyler's a little tired. We didn't get home last night till 11 o'clock. And as you guys all know, Tim, the famous Tim, sends us on these missions that are a little crazy. Anyway, we are headed out to just past Lancaster to a town. It's about 2 hours from home. We are gonna install a ground ring, a pipe run, and possibly doing ice bridge post, but we're not gonna get to that. It's Friday. We're not gonna get to site till 10 o'clock. And yeah, the pipe run apparently is 200 feet. So there's no possible way we're getting all the pipe in, all the grounding in, the cabinet set, the platform built, and the ice bridge post in. It's totally not gonna happen. But we're gonna get it done as much as we possibly can. We're gonna be optimistic about it, right, Tyler? All right, guys, we'll see you guys soon. Enjoy the ride. All right, we are at site. We got issues already. Got a tower crew working above, so legally I'm not really allowed to work inside. And I really don't want to, mainly because they're taking metal up there. It's just not safe. And this is a crown site. The guy from Dish is on his way out. We're not even gonna get inside of here and work. What we're gonna do is start at the pole and bring our pipe this way. Now, these guys dug in the ground ring, but it's all gotta be redug because it is, I mean, 9 inches, 12 inches. It's just absolutely ridiculous. So that's so far the digging's going pretty good.
Not a golf ball.
One golf ball, no rocks, that's a good sign. So we're gonna stub up our two 2-inchers right there. One there, one there. We'll pack them out a little bit so they can put a stand up and go up the pole with it. So let's keep on digging, get the heck out of here and go home and have some fun for the weekend.
Yeah, you're good.
Hey guys, welcome back. Now I know this video is kind of all over the place, but we're back on site. I got kicked off of this job, but we're back with the E26 and the Ford and the best dump trailer money can buy, that B-Wise. Love that thing still to this day. The Ford, you know, lots of issues. Anyway, so you guys remember this job. I know I didn't get footage of the whole thing of what we did, mainly because I thought we were going to be coming back, and I try not to get too repetitive, but now we're finally back. I got a new helper again. Every day it's someone different. That's kind of tough, I'm not gonna lie, but for Tom's sake, I'm dealing with it. Introduce yourself, bud.
What's up, guys? I'm Jake from like 45 minutes away.
How old are you, Jake? How'd you get into the industry? When did you start?
I started 3 weeks ago. I'm 18. And I'm here for the summer because I'm in college.
Now, talk about the school you go to. So, out in Pennsylvania, I'm just finding out about this. There's some famous school. It's like the Harvard of trade schools, pretty much,
Yeah.
right, bud?
I
So
would
talk
think so.
to me. It sounds like absolute jail. You're not allowed to do anything at this school. You're not
Yeah.
allowed to do anything.
No drugs, alcohol.
Well, that's a must. You can't be doing that. But I don't mean that. I'm saying you can't curse. You have to like watch
no
what you
phones.
post on Facebook
Yeah, no
and
phones. Well, you gotta live there 5 days a week. You get to go home on the weekends. Shirt and tie every day.
man, oh man.
Yep. You always gotta be doing something there.
Definitely not the place for Ed or I, but stay in school, guys. Don't be like us. Anyway, he's gonna work on seeding and strawing. We already got this stuff graded out. I have to continue my pipe runs, and again, Ed and I are kind of dealing with camera difficulties. We only have one GoPro battery charger. Ed has it, he's the old guy, so I'll let him take it. So I've been kind of dealing with dead batteries here and there because I forget to charge them. But anyway, I gotta dig this up. At the end of these two 2-inchers sticking out of the ground on my 2 inches, we backfilled them. Now, all right, guys, well, good thing we never leave home without the ripper tooth, because we're right back in the rock again. Now, again, no big deal, we'll get it out. But with these little minis, is what we call them, for the E26, it just doesn't have the breakout power with the smooth bucket to really dig out any rock. Like Ed's 304, man, that rock right there wouldn't be a match. Even with the smooth bucket, he'd get it right out. But me, all I'm doing is making a sharpened edge to really damage pipe. Also, we found that pipe there. We did tug on it a little bit, obviously it's a little crushed, but didn't damage it, it'll be fine. So let's hook up this ripper tooth and start ripping rock.